Most freelancers do not fail because of a lack of talent. They fail because they lose control of their money. In this documentary, you'll discover the three-step financial engine that transforms chaos into a scalable system. Stay until the end. Most freelancers do not run out of talent. They run out of cash because they lack this simple financial engine. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to discover the full story. Treating taxes, banking, and bookkeeping as separate chores creates immense financial chaos that holds your business back. We will map out the exact visual flowchart showing how your money moves seamlessly directly into key accounts. Based on our findings, this three-step system turns chaotic freelance income into a structured wealth machine, protecting your hard-earned business. Watch this full video to transform your financial chaos into a self-sustaining system that scales your business today. When client payments and personal bills share one account, you can never calculate your actual business profits accurately. Step 1 begins with a dedicated business checking account, acting as the exclusive landing pad for all incoming invoice payments. From there, your money splits automatically, 30% for taxes, 40% for business expenses, and the rest for you. The third step is your owner's draw, transferring a consistent monthly salary directly to your personal checking account automatically. Based on our findings, by automating this entire engine, you secure your taxes, fund your business, and pay yourself comfortably. Step 1 begins with the intake vault, a dedicated business checking account where every single client invoice is paid. Never spend directly from this primary account. Treat it strictly as a transit station for your incoming business revenue. Next, our automated system immediately routes 30% of every incoming dollar into your secure, untouchable tax savings account. Based on our findings, by separating taxes instantly, tax season transforms from a terrifying financial crisis into a simple, stress-free. Finally, the remaining balance splits cleanly into operating expenses and your regular, guaranteed, and reliable personal biweekly salary. By automating this division, you completely remove human emotion, ensuring your primary tax account is always funded first. Step 1 establishes your defensive shield, a designated tax reserve where 30% of every invoice immediately lands. This simple automated rule eliminates the seasonal dread of quarterly taxes, turning a heavy burden into a non-event. Based on our findings, Step 2 builds your operating runway, a dedicated checking account covering software, vital subscriptions, and overhead. Isolating these costs ensures you never mix personal funds with business expenses, keeping your legal shield incredibly strong. Step 1 begins with the revenue bucket, where every client invoice lands before being split into separate channels. Immediately peel 30% off the top for taxes, depositing it directly into your untouchable high-yield savings account. Next, direct 20% to your operating account, fueling subscription software, marketing, and essential business overhead daily. Based on our findings, the remaining 50% becomes your personal salary, transferred automatically to keep your household budget completely. By automating this entire flow, you eliminate guesswork and build an unstoppable self-sustaining engine that works endlessly. First, every single dollar of your incoming client revenue must land inside one central checking account before routing. From this main hub, we will immediately slice away 30% and push it straight into a tax sub-account. By keeping this critical tax reserve completely separate from daily operational funds, you permanently eliminate annual tax season panic. Based on our findings, this simple automated separation ensures that money you do not actually own never sits in your You become a passive observer to your own financial growth, watching money flow precisely where it belongs automatically. Step 1 of this automated system requires separating your personal lifestyle expenses from your core business operation costs completely. By establishing distinct accounts, you prevent the dangerous mixing of funds that leads most independent creators to financial ruin. Next, we introduce the automated tax reservoir, instantly claiming a fixed percentage of every single deposit that arrives.
As the notification is displayed,
Based on our findings, this ensures you never struggle during tax season, as your obligations are already secured in a. Finally, the remaining funds flow seamlessly into your personal investment index, compounding your wealth silently in the background. This automated wealth cycle runs continuously, turning your volatile freelance earnings into reliable, passive, long-term financial security. By setting up this highly efficient systematic structure, you completely eliminate the stress and anxiety of tax season. Next, we will explore how to build a robust business reserve, protecting your venture from unpredictable market fluctuations. Based on our findings, aim to accumulate 3 to 6 months of operating expenses within this buffer, ensuring absolute survival. Finally, we activate the tax automation rule, automatically diverting 30% of every incoming payment into its own treasury. Next, we direct 20% of the remaining balance straight into a designated business operating expense account. This operating fund keeps your software subscriptions, marketing, and emergency business reserves fully capitalized without manual effort. By automating this split, dry spells no longer threaten your business stability or force you into panic decisions. Based on our findings, finally, the remaining 50% flows directly into your personal account as a secure, guilt-free salary. You're no longer just guessing your margins. You have built a self-sustaining financial machine that runs itself. Based on our analysis, with your automated system running smoothly, every surplus dollar can now be funneled directly into Smart. This engine splits your surplus, sending 70% into growth and 30% into secure liquid emergency reserves. Watching your wealth grow automatically provides incredible mental freedom and deep confidence for all your future business decisions. You no longer react to financial stress. Instead, you proactively direct your capital toward true long-term peace of mind. The final step is auditing the seamless engine once every quarter to ensure your financial targets remain perfectly aligned. During this quarterly review, you compare your actual business expenses against the automated savings targets you set initially. If you notice an unexpected surplus, you can safely route those extra funds directly into your long-term investment accounts. This systematic approach removes emotional decision-making, turning your regular freelance income into a predictable, highly stable paycheck. You stop worrying about upcoming tax deadlines because the money is already set aside, earning passive interest automatically. Based on our findings, a fully optimized financial engine gives you complete creative freedom to choose your ideal clients. By automating these critical 3 pillars, you ensure your business survives market dry spells and scales naturally over time. The mental relief of knowing your taxes, savings, and salary are handled allows you to produce your best creative work. This visual financial engine transforms you from a stressed freelancer into an organized business owner commanding premium rates. Based on our findings, no more guesswork, no more tax season panic, just clean and automated momentum pushing your freelance. Take complete control of your finances today, because building this simple engine is the ultimate key to professional freedom. The first pillar of this system is automatic tax allocation, separating a percentage of every invoice immediately upon receipt. Routing 30% directly to a dedicated tax sub-account completely eliminates the dread of unexpected end-of-year bills. Next, build a robust operating reserve to easily cover software, equipment upgrades, and occasional dry spells without stress. Based on our findings, finally, automate your monthly paycheck to transform erratic freelance income into a highly predictable, consistent personal. With these three components running automatically, your creative freelance hustle transforms into a highly scalable, stable enterprise. Setting up this automated system takes less than 1 hour, but it saves you thousands of dollars every single year. When your clients pay, you will finally watch your tax, business, and personal accounts fill up completely automated. You stop worrying about sudden quarterly tax bills, transforming financial anxiety into ultimate peace of mind starting today. Based on our findings, consistency always beats complexity. Build your own financial engine this weekend and protect your creative freedom for the long journey ahead of you. Starting this powerful system today guarantees your long-term creative independence and secures your financial peace of mind forever. In conclusion, analyzing the three-step financial engine every freelancer needs to build today reveals the deeper reality behind this video. Treats taxes, banking, and bookkeeping not as separate tedious chores, but as a single, self-sustaining financial engine. We map out the exact visual flowchart of how money flows seamlessly from a client's invoice directly into dedicated tax. From my perspective, the biggest lesson is simple. Money should never control your business. Your business should control your money. If this documentary helped you, leave a comment and share your own experience below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more documentaries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.